Hey guys, thank you for watching the Graham Strategy channel. We follow portfolio stocks chosen based on the Graham 7 criteria for the defensive stock investor. Like always, I'll start off by reminding you that I'm not a financial advisor and I do not make any recommendations on what you should or should not buy or sell. The investment has been running for 2.5 years now and it's time to rebalance the portfolio for the 5th time. At the last rebalancing on March 3rd this year, we noted a very good performance with an all-time high in February here. And since then, the portfolio has dropped 8.62%, while the OMX has only fallen 4.33%. And at this time here in the middle of June, we see that it hit a low when it dropped 19.16%, while the OMX had dropped only 2.58%. Since then, it has recovered quite nicely, and since the last rebalancing a week ago, it has gained 5%, which is 4 percentage points more than the index. At the time of the last rebalancing on September 8th, the Graham valuation of the stocks looked like this. Only one company fulfilled all 7 criteria, the real estate and construction company Skanska. Among the stocks in the Graham portfolio, only one is no longer among the top 5, that is the real estate company JM. It is a very well-managed company, but it struggles with the present high interest environment where new home construction has hit rock bottom and the demand for new homes is almost non-existent. And looking at the chart for JM over the past 3 years, we can see the points at which it was added to the portfolio, the blue circles. And when it was finally sold here a week ago, we see the red circle to the right. But I believe for the long-term investor, JM will be a good investment, and maybe it will come back into the portfolio again in the future, and perhaps then at an even lower valuation. And the company Holmen replaces JM in the portfolio. Holmen produces and sells timber, wood products, a variety of paper products, and electricity generated through renewable energy sources. It is thus similar to Billerud, but comes earlier in the production chain. The remaining 4 stocks are rebalanced so that the weight of each stock is the same in the portfolio. As all companies except Betsson have dropped significantly since the last rebalancing, this basically meant selling off a portion of Betsson and adding more of the other stocks. Currently, the portfolio has gained almost 54% since the start 2.5 years ago. And we're looking at the index, it has gained only 6.91%. So despite the fact that many of the stocks in the portfolio have lost a great deal and the market has gone more or less sideways, as you can see here by the yellow line, the portfolio as a whole has performed really well. And it seems like everyone is waiting for a clear signal. Will it be a soft landing? Or with lowered interest rates while the unemployment stays low, then a new long-term bull run could start. Or if we enter a recession while the inflation stays too high, a market crash or perhaps a year-long bear trend could be possible scenarios. So let's hope for a soft landing. So that was all for today. Stay tuned for updates on the portfolio, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when I release a new video. So until next time, as always, stay sharp and follow your passion.